In this video, I will share with you how to sell digital products online on Hostinger website builder. This is the product page that we'll see how to create in this video. This is the title, the subtitle, the price, add to bag, the collapsible sections, the product photos, the product description, video, text, images, and also the related products. Without any further ado, let's start with how to create your online store on Hostinger website builder. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Then click on websites, select websites list, and click on add website. From this list, select Hostinger website builder. And now let's give the Hostinger AI our store idea. First, my brand name is, for example, let's go with focus downloads. And for the description, you can use something like, I want to sell digital products like digital planners. My online store goal is to help people stay focused and achieve their goals. As you can see, this is a great description. And for adding online store to my website, yes, I want an online store. Hit create a website and wait a moment. And this is the first result of this prompt. As you can see, this is a simple website. If you are satisfied with this, you can hit continue. If you are not, you can hit this create again button. And if you want back and edit your prompt and you get multiple different results, you can switch between these results from this version history list. You can choose from the last 5 versions. Here you can switch between computer preview and laptop preview. And from this colors palette, you can select different colors for your new online store. I will go with blue color palette, and I am satisfied with this result, so I will go with continue. This is my new store, and now to publish this online store or to access it online, you need to click on this go live button. Click on view site, and this is your online store. Now let's add my first digital product. So I will switch from website builder to manage store. And now I will go to products. Then click on add product. From this pop-up window, I will select digital product. Here I can upload my images simply, or upload images and request product details using AI. I will go with this first option. This is the photos of my digital product. Click on open. The AI now is creating text for this product. And here we go. The suggested title is weekly planner. The subtitles organize your week efficiently, ribbon bestseller, and this is the product description. After reading this AI suggested text, you can edit it yourself. For this description, even you see just text here, you can write big title, for example, make it H2. You can add a video here. This is my YouTube video link. You can also add an image. I will add it here. I will add my photo here. I will upload one of my, click on insert, and your new photo will be inserted here. Check my digital setup guide. After the description, let's move down to the pricing. Here you can select between giving it for free or selecting an amount. In my case, I will go with an amount. The default price is, let's say I sell it for 49, and the discounted price will be just 27. For the SKU, I can go with, for example, weekly planner 1. You can track quantity, but since this is a digital product, I think tracking quantity is not correct. If you check this option next to hide add to back button, your store will turn to a product catalog instead of an online store. So here I will uncheck it. Here you need to upload your digital product that the buyer will receive after paying you. Let's say this is my product, this is my digital product. I will upload it, and you can upload up to 10 files with a maximum total size of all files 100 megabytes. If your digital product size is more than 100 megabytes, you can switch to adding a link. Here you can fill in your digital planner, your digital product download link from here. It can be a Google Drive link, a Dropbox, or even your own website download page link. In my case, I will go with upload file. As you can see, my uploaded file is this one. You can upload multiple files. As you can see, let's duplicate. This is my second file, and here you can set your download link availability for just 24 hours, 48, 7 days, or even 30 days. In my case, I will go with 48 hours. I think it is enough. And under additional info section, you can add, for example, collapsible paragraphs like, for example, shipping policy, return policy, for example, guarantees. For the first info section, I will use this 30-day refund collapsible paragraph, and this is the content. Save. I will add a second. After adding my info sections, I will reorder them just like that. Included files first, then installation guide, then the money back guarantee. Below that, we found the custom field. Here you can let your potential customers customize their products. In our case, we don't use customization, so we'll skip that. We'll skip this step. And here in the categories field, this is very important. Here you need to assign a category in order to keep your store organized later. The AI suggests this category called weekly planner, which is good, so I will select it. Now this category is assigned, and below my product image or product details, you can show related products. This is good. So, and this section will be titled "You may also like." And for the conditions, you can only show products from the weekly planner category or the all products available on your store. I will go with all products. Let's verify our digital products info. This is the images, the title, the subtitle, ribbon, description, pricing, SKU. This is the downloadable product, the info section, the categories, and the related product. Now let's hit this save button. Now, even though your product is added here, it is not available if you check your shop page, because you still need to switch to the website builder and hit this update website button. Now, if I refresh this page, I will see my product, my newly added product here. And this is how to add your digital products to your store in Hostinger website builder. Let's check my products page, weekly planner. This is the title, the subtitle, original price, discounted price, add to bag. This is the info section. The first one is this one, installation guide, money back guarantee, and this is my product photos. You can also switch your product photo from here, and this is my product description, the setup guide, the video, text, the photo, and this is the related products. And this is how to sell digital products online on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.